Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this lovely rainbow marble cake covered in a vanilla buttercream frosting and a stunning chocolate mirror glazing. You will need the following ingredients to make this lovely cake: a selection of mixed colours, (250g of self-raising flour, 3 eggs at room temperature, 5 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 175g of butter, 175g of caster sugar, 200g of melting chocolate. First, add the sugar into a large bowl. Then add the butter. This is unsalted butter, it should be at room temperature. Then add the eggs. Sift the flour, making sure all the lumps and bumps are broken. It didn't take this long to do it in real life, but it looks pretty. Once you've sifted all your flour, we're going to add the milk. Add the vanilla essence. You can choose any flavours you like. There's orange, lemon, strawberry, infinite choices really. Blend it really well. And then use an electric whisk. Hopefully you have mixed your batter really well and thoroughly blending away all the lumps. Now we're going to divide the mixture into separate bowls and add the food colours. I'm going to be using gel food colours as these cook much better in the oven and don't fade in the cooking process. Right then, let's start with the fun stuff. I've greased the cake tin. I'm going to start adding a tablespoon of each of the colour. Ah, finally, I've finished decorating my cake. It took 100 years to put the layers on. I'm going to preheat an oven at 180 degrees and bake this for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, the cake is ready. Let it cool down a little bit before you decorate it. I'm going to decorate my cake with a chocolate mirror glaze and buttercream. First, we're going to melt some chocolate in a bowl. Gently simmer the water in a pan and the chocolate on the bowl will melt. For the buttercream, you will need 250 grams of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 cup of icing sugar. First, we're going to fluff up the butter using an electric whisk. Add the icing sugar and the milk and keep on blending until your buttercream reaches a nice creamy pale texture and consistency. The cake has cooled now. I'm going to remove the cake tin and the base and place it onto another plate, ready for decorating. Spread an even layer of the buttercream all over the sponge. Oh, this is a good part. I'm going to pour the chocolate mirror glaze now all over the buttercream cake. It will drip and crack right through the edges and the sides. It won't be an even covering because I don't want it to look all completely covered. I still want some of the white parts exposed. See it ripping and tearing apart? Don't touch it anymore, it should dry completely mirror effect. I'm going to add some glitter to give it some extra sparkle, and the cake is finished. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Marjana's Kitchen. Please come back again to watch another great episode. We hope you like, share and subscribe to our videos. See you soon.